What's the meaning of all-party? All-party. 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 All-party.
The term all-party refers to the involvement or representation of all political parties in a particular decision-making process or activity. It usually implies that all parties have reached a consensus or agreement on the matter at hand, regardless of their individual ideologies or partisan interests. The result of an all-party decision-making process is often seen as more legitimate and representative of the will of the people because it incorporates a broader range of perspectives and opinions. Overall, the use of all-party mechanisms can help promote inclusivity and cooperation in politics.